MeghalayaPost.news.
Nomor balas perang ke Jingkynnoh Vice Chancellor USTM Uma Babul Hong Hakiran san social media halor kata ke mission educational rehabilitation Chancellor ke school ba USTM mentak singi ula Pynshai pe ba lengba kilat thai kubor halor ketika thong ke ba ula pau hakiran san social media habakaran sikinu tho kubor Chancellor ke USTM Uma Babul Hong ba halor ketika Jingkynnoh jungu bun ki bala persang manyalam bakla ya ki ba khamtam baka school ba USTM kedai ke belasya kentho nakapor sikapor hakibriu ki bala he kerdan naga jala Assam kabadai halor ke Jingkynnoh siprang ke nega school ba ulapan pauru da ke boong baka te ke Jingkynnoh ke ba ulabu ha ka rinsan social media kedai ke ba udang syong lingswing baka Jingkynnoh ke longban Kdup tangi kito ki Khynnah ki belasya kata jur na ke Shah Kyndang ha ke sarkar Assam bat baro ki basya Kyndang ru kimdai setia ki bana Bangladesh bat ban yarab lem ya kito ki Khynnah ki belasya kata ka USTM kala temu banirab ban ajing pule om haka jala Meghalaya Hendrei haka school kabudon haka jala Assam lapan syairu dak boong baka nega jing temu kamdei setia ka basule klem da bishar pnya bat temu ban Kdup ya kitu Khynnah ki basya kata ki ha ban bishar leng baki kot kisla bat ka Jingkynnoh pan baka USTM ka Kdup syaka ka school ba kabudon ha Meghalaya kalong ka babakla bat ka basya ilam bakla haki wei ki bakwa ban pentho pria ya ka school ba USTM
in the social media. I was sitting in the airport and I thought that many people are requesting, you have seen this video from one lady, that they know our beginning and legacy of our educational institutions, that along with the students who are paying fees and studying here, along with this, we always adopt the students who are unable to pay and come to our educational institutions. So this educational rehabilitation is a very old kind of initiative, outreach initiative for the poor, meritorious and affected students. So with this mind, I have given this statement because many people are requesting. Even last year also we have adopted children. Many students we have adopted from Meghalaya and other states also in the USTM for their education. But specifically this I have given for the school children, small children. And when I have given these statements, everyone have praised, media has praised, but suddenly it has twisted and some of them political people, they have given the interpretation of this in a different angle. But I am not interested to give the reply of it because these are all political statements. Even from some NGOs from Meghalaya, they have approached to us and we have clarified they are happy with this. They thought that because I am the Chancellor of the university, they thought because I am known for USTM and USTM is known for that someone Mr. Mahbubul Haq is there. So they have connected this entire initiative with USTM, but is nothing like to do with the USTM. This is for the children's rehabilitation, small children's, orphan children's, strife affected children's, violence affected children's. It is happening. Now there is eviction is going on in the state. It is known to everyone. It is known to the country. It is known to the whole world that there is eviction is going on. I don't have any connection with the evicted. I said that evicted families, if we find any genuine students, helpless, homeless, and these are the words written in my statement. So I will be adapting them. And when we will be adapting, our next academic session will be started in 2026. We find that some genuine students are there where we can contribute for their education. Then what is the loss on it? That was our understanding. But unfortunately, they have been misinterpreted. We don't have any space in the campus. We are unable to give the kind of accommodation. If you come to university, we have a limited hostel facility. There is no space here to accommodate students. Many students are staying outside. Their parents are asking that you provide more hostels, but we are unable to construct more hostels here. So there is no question of adopting someone, rehabilitate someone in our university for higher education or for something. It is a common approach every time in our prospectus it is written. You can see our prospectus that in such situations, we provide, if students are eligible to take admission, we give them free education. That is the everything regarding this rehabilitation program. And now the people are trying to misinterpret it, connect it in different way. We thought that we should not talk about rehabilitation initiative now for time being. From Guwahati, last year we have adopted. So people are knowing that when such kind of crisis happens, so we take care of the children. So from the evicted families, I have written because now all the problem is coming for the evicted children. So I have written evicted families, but it does not mean that the non-genuine students will be adopted. When we will be going for such institution, because our institution is known to the people, we are connected with all the compliance of the government of India, state government. So if we are adopting someone, certainly we will be going through the documentation process. Evicted, even government is also knowing, government is also giving them shelter, that because of their landless and because of the erosion by the Brahmaputra and other things, many peoples are staying in the government land. That is not wrong. That is the statement that these people are staying in the government land, sometimes forest land, sometimes this nearby the kind of water bodies. In many places they are staying. So they are staying in illegally, but they are legal citizens of the country. So when we will be going for such kind of evicted families, means that we have to see the legality of the children. So there is institutions. No, no, no. Please don't give bad names to our institutions. By the sake of Almighty, we are at least smart enough when we will be doing certain such kind of welfare work here. So welfare work, if we are doing something 1% to the people, certainly it must be reaching to the people, those who are genuine people and those who are needy. Why you will be doing for certain people who are not legal? But still, people are behind us, people are helping us. Whenever we have given this statement, it has been appreciated by media. Why it has been twisted later on? So let people do that. We, our team, university faculty, students, we are in a mission that we have to excel. And recently you have seen the result has been declared of NET. 103 students in last two examination of UGC NET cracked NET examination. You can inquire with any other educational institution, especially universities, that how many students crack NET examination. It is because of our that is uninterrupted, and our faculty, dedicated faculty, those who are giving time, even after 4 p.m., we have extra classes for them. So we are doing. You have seen that our university is creating flood in Guwahati. That also you have seen. We are silent. We have not given any reply. So that is lying with the people, because we used to tell that is a people's university. We will be concentrating on our main agenda, which is education and research. We are focusing on it. So that's all. And many NGOs also telling that I have to give clarification of many statements. I said that we don't have a time. And these are political statements. Why you will be? If somebody is intellectual, somebody is from NGO, if they are asking something, certainly we will be clarifying all these kind of statements.
MeghalayaPost.news